Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Among Us Yellow Impostor from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the hand holding the microphone. Start with a large circle here. Then add detailed curved lines inside. Next, add a curved rectangle shape under on an angle. Let's draw the hand next. Draw 3 fingers going down on an angle from the bottom right. Then close off the hand with a wavy line. Add the thumb now on the right with a bent line. And then a curve down to the fingers. Add the bottom of the microphone with a curve under the hand. Let's draw the mini crewmate that's behind his hand now. Start with a curve on the left for the face shield. Now a curve out to the left for the leg. Next, move to the right and draw the other leg with an L-shaped curve. Lastly, add a small bent line for the backpack. Let's draw the yellow imposter now. Starting on the top left of the microphone, draw a curve up, over to the right, and back down for the shape of the body. Now draw the right leg at the bottom like this. Then add a diagonal line across the middle here. And then draw the other leg to the left. Let's draw the face shield next. From the top right of the microphone, draw a slanted curve out to the right past the body and back in. Now close off the bottom with a line across. Then erase the body line inside. Next, add the backpack on the left with a line over to the left, and then curve it down next to the microphone to the hand. Let's draw the other hand now. Draw a wavy line across the right side of the body here. Then erase the body line inside. Next, draw 2 fingers to the right like this. Now curve across the bottom finger. And then a small diagonal line down at the end. Next, draw the index finger up on the top with a curve up and back down like this. Add an angled line on the bottom left now. Then close off the hand with a curve across. Lastly, let's draw the other mini crewmate sitting on the head. Start by drawing a curved diagonal line across the top of the head, like this. Then add a curve on the right for the leg. And now another curve down on the left for the other leg. Next, above the right leg, draw a large oval for the face shield. Then starting above the face shield, draw a curve over and back down to the left leg to close off the body. Then erase the body line inside. And then lastly, add a curved rectangle shape on the left for the backpack. And that's it for the yellow imposter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.